Dear Sirs, we thank you for your inquiry of yesterday's date, and we very much appreciate your interest in the various types of services rendered by us. Full stop. We have pleasure in giving a brief description of some of these services. Full stop. Besides the usual business of receiving deposits in various accounts, namely, savings, special savings and fixed deposits and lending money in the shape of cash, credits, overdrafts and loans, we undertake number of agency services on behalf of our customers and depositors, like collection of their bills, divided warrants, etc. Full stop. We have also got arrangements for safe custody of valuables of our customers in suitable size lockers in underground vaults which are air conditioned. Full stop. You may also be interested in this special department of this bank, started only a few months ago, where we entertain proposals for banks appointment as trustees and executors. Full stop. In view of the efficient and impersonal way in which our department is capable of working in these capacities and for continuity of arrangements that it guarantees, we are sure this department will prove to be useful and popular with our esteemed customers. Full stop. We will make inquiries regarding the standing, full stop, reputation, character and financial capacity of the party to whom the credit is to be granted. Full stop. We hope you will select one or more of our services. Full stop. Yours faithfully, Chief Accountant, State Bank of Karnataka, Bangalore. Full stop.